Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term purple patch. Introduction. The term purple patch is derived from Horace's Latin phrase purpureus pannus, which translates into purple patch in English. In literature, a purple patch refers to a marked heightening of style in rhythm, diction, repetitions and figurative language, which makes a passage of verse or prose, particularly a descriptive passage, stand out from its surrounding context. It is a literary device employed by authors to create an impactful and memorable segment within their works. This video explores the significance and usage of purple patches in literature, with specific examples from various literary works. The function of purple patches. Purple patches serve several essential functions in literature. They provide authors with a platform to showcase their artistic prowess and demonstrate their command over language and imagery. By crafting a purple patch, an author can evoke strong emotions and immerse readers deeply in the scene or narrative. The heightened language and vivid descriptions in these passages create a sense of grandeur and aesthetics, leaving a lasting impression on the reader's mind. Furthermore, purple patches often play a pivotal role in conveying the central themes or messages of a literary work. They may encapsulate the essence of the narrative, highlighting key motifs or symbols, and intensify the impact of the author's intended meaning. These passages can also act as turning points or moments of revelation within the plot, influencing the reader's understanding and interpretation of the text. Examples of purple patches. William Shakespeare's Richard II. In Shakespeare's play Richard II, John of Gaunt delivers a famous purple patch known as the Eulogy of England, Act 2, Scene 1, lines 40 onwards. In this eloquent speech, John Gaunt passionately describes England as a glorious and majestic land, using rich metaphors and evocative language. The passage exudes a sense of patriotism and admiration for the country, creating a memorable and emotionally charged moment in the play. Lord Byron's Childe Harold's Pilgrimage. Lord Byron employs a purple patch in Canto 2, lines 21 to 28 of Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, where he vividly describes the Duchess of Richmond's ball on the eve of the Battle of Waterloo. The passage captures the grandeur and excitement of the event, juxtaposed with the impending doom of the approaching battle. Byron's use of imagery and poetic devices intensifies the impact of this moment in the poem, making it a notable example of a purple patch. The perception of purple patches. The perception of purple patches in literature varies. While some critics view them as impressive displays of an author's literary skills and creativity, others regard them with a hint of skepticism. The term purple patch is sometimes used disparagingly, implying that the author has consciously attempted to create a showy and ostentatious piece of writing. However, it is essential to recognize that the appreciation of purple patches is subjective. What one reader might interpret as a breathtaking piece of prose, another may perceive as an overly embellished and melodramatic passage. The effectiveness of a purple patch depends on the reader's personal taste, cultural background, and literary sensibilities. Conclusion. Purple patches are literary devices that add depth, beauty, and emotional impact to a work of literature. Whether used to emphasize key themes, evoke powerful emotions, or simply display an author's artistic prowess, these passages contribute to the overall richness and complexity of a literary work. While the perception of purple patches may vary among readers and critics, there is no denying their significance in enhancing the literary experience. So this was the discussion on the term purple patch. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.